In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand and spend your AI credits in Windows 11. If you've seen AI features inside apps like Paint, Photos, or Copilot and wondered how your credits work, this quick guide will help make everything clear. AI credits are basically the usage allowance tied to certain AI-powered tools in Windows 11, and knowing where to check them and how they're used can help you get the most value each month. To begin, check your current credit balance in Microsoft Paint. Open Paint from the Start menu, then look to the top right corner and click the Co-Creator icon. When the side panel opens, look near the bottom of that panel. That's where you'll see how many credits you currently have available. This is a good habit to get into before starting a project, especially if you plan to generate several images. Once you know your balance, you can spend a credit directly in Paint. In the Co-Creator panel, type a description of the image you want to create into the text box. Try to be clear and specific so the AI has better guidance. After that, choose the visual style you want, then click Generate. Each image that gets generated uses 1 credit, so it's worth reviewing your prompt before you submit it. You can also use your credits in the Photos app. Open Photos and select any picture you want to edit. From there, use AI-powered features like Restyle or Generative Erase to transform or clean up your image. These tools are great for quick creative edits or removing unwanted elements, but keep in mind that using them also draws from your available monthly credits. Another place where your credits come in handy is the Copilot app. Open Copilot directly from the taskbar to access it quickly. Here, you can use credits to generate AI images or run more advanced requests using powerful language models without having to wait in a queue. This can be especially useful when you want faster results or you're working on something that requires more complex AI help. Finally, manage your usage wisely. Free credits automatically refresh at the beginning of each month, so if you're getting low, it may make sense to save the rest for tasks that matter most. If you do run out, you can still generate images, but the process will usually be much slower unless you upgrade to Copilot Pro. That's how to understand and spend your AI credits in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and enjoy using your AI credits to create incredible content on Windows 11.